Hello, beautiful souls. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever been wishing for things lately? Dreaming for a new house, a soulmate, financial freedom, but for some reason it still feels just out of your reach. If I told you the reason your manifestations are not clicking isn't the universe saying no, it's your energy saying not yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from wishing to manifesting your dreams by simply understanding the balance of your chakras. And yes, it's very, very powerful. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's been blocking your abundance and how to fix it. So if you've ever said, why it is not happening for me, this is your moment. Let's start with this. Manifestation isn't just about journaling, vision boards, moon ritual. It's about the energetic alignment. Your body is not just a body, it's a magnetic field. And your chakras are the receivers of these magnetic signals. When they are aligned and balanced, the universe hears you loud and clear. But when even one chakra is blocked, you are sending mixed signals. It's like asking for love with heart chakra that's shut, or craving for wealth with the root chakra, which is full of fear. If you are manifesting with aligned chakras, it's like trying to play your favorite song on a broken speaker. The signal doesn't land. Let's go chakra by chakra. Pay attention to the ones that hit first to you. Number one is the root chakra. This is your foundation, your sense of stability, survival. If you're constantly worrying about money, safety, or what if things go wrong, you're not rooted. Blocked root chakra leads to struggle to manifest wealth and stability. To fix it, ground yourself, walk barefoot, do root chakra meditation, wear crystals like carnelian, red jasper to balance your energy. Number two is the sacral chakra, where you create. This is your joy, your creativity. If it is blocked, you will have issues with your self-worth, emotional numbness. You will feel undeserving for the good things. Fix this chakra today. Reconnect with your joy. Start creating small things. You can dance. You can do things which can help you be more creative. Wear crystals like carnelian, orange calcite. It can really help you. Then is the solar plexus, where I do. This is your confidence, your personal power. This is you, your decisions. If it is blocked, you would not be able to move forward. You will lead to overthinking. To fix it, journal your wins, do your breath work, talk to your body, understand yourself, and also take help of crystals like yellow calcite and citrine. Then comes the heart chakra. This one is huge as this is the center. Most of us manifest love from a wounded place. And guess what? The universe responds to you with your wounded vibrations. So blocked heart chakra, receive love that reflects your wounds, not your worth. To fix it, work on forgiveness, do inner child work, do a lot of affirmation, wear crystals like rose quartz, kunzite. Trust me, it really helps. Now is the throat chakra. If you don't speak your desires, your fear is being judging you. You dim your voice, you dim your manifestations. Fix it now. Start expressing your truth. Speak your words clearly. Wear crystals like tanzanite, sodalite. It can really help you shift the energy. Now comes the third eye chakra. This is where your vision lives. If it is blocked, your manifestation is foggy. You don't see what is possible. You doubt your own intuition. So fix it today. Visualize, spend time with silence, do your intuitive journaling, work with crystals like angelite, lapis lazuli. It can really give you the base. Now is the crown chakra. This connects you to the divine. If this is blocked, you would not trust on the divine timing. You are going to fear from the universe. Fix it by doing meditation, do your spiritual connection with an Akashic record reading, where crystals like amethyst, angelite, it can really help you connect with yourself, your Akashic records, and your spirit guides. Let me know in the comment which chakra felt blocked for you. That awareness alone is very, very powerful. Now activate these chakras by daily chakra check-ins. Close your eyes, breathe in, scan from root to crown. Ask yourself, what needs my attention today? This is 2 minutes habit that really can change everything. Number 2 is manifestation ritual. Want money? Root plus solar plexus. Want love? heart plus sacral chakra. Want intuition? Work on your third eye. Now do a practice to activate it. Work around color therapy. Work around crystals. Crystals are really beneficial. If you have any question related to crystal, you can write in the comment section. If you guys will demand, I'm going to make separate video for the crystals as well. Akashic records and chakra healing really empowers you here. This is a secret tool. This is going to help you answer all your whys, make you understand your chakra system, your energy, and you can get out of your stuck blocks. Akashic record reading can help you understand the origin of your block. Is it a past life wound? Is it a soul contract? Is it an inherent pattern? That moment of understand release everything because you are shifting. So beautiful souls, if something in your heart whispered, "This is me," while watching this video, don't ignore. Book your Akashic record reading with me and let's finally work on your release and understanding and work on your manifestations. Whether you want love, money, peace, clarity, purpose, it's already in your energetic fields. You must have to tune your frequency. This is your time. Stop wishing and start manifesting. Book your reading at www.sanskritiseti.com or WhatsApp us +919634003939. The WhatsApp link and the reading link is given in the description box. I cannot wait to guide you into your highest alignment. See you soon.